Today we have a 1950 Hudson Commodore for sale. These are the coolest cars. They look like they're a chop top Barris custom, and this is the way they came from the factory. It's got the low window. The body is actually set down over the frame. That's what gives it that low appearance. This one has the window shade. You gotta look inside this car. It is so cool. Look at that gorgeous dash and the door panels and the steering wheel. Just the design and the materials, it's just so cool. If you look here, see how it steps down? The frame is here. They set the body down lower than the frame to get that low stance. These cars are very successful in NASCAR racing at the time. This particular one is from a guy in Indianapolis that restores these. He did a great job with it. Drove the car up from Indianapolis. We're north of Chicago. It's a turnkey, get in and drive. Really cool car if you like something different that's from the 50s. Go to volocars.com. You can see all the specs, the pricing, and along with a few hundred other cars for sale. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put all sorts of neat cars on there for sale almost daily.